If you want to know about general information of medicine, please subscribe your own YouTube channel YT Pharmacist and press bell icon for latest notification. Welcome friends, you are watching your own YouTube channel YT Pharmacist. In today's video, we will learn about paracetamol tablet, which is especially used to cure fever. We learn about its use in detail, what are the uses other than fever, and by which name you can purchase it from medical store and online pharmacy. And we also discuss about paracetamol doses, side effect, and some warnings of paracetamol tablet and paracetamol dose. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Hello friends, paracetamol is also known as acetaminophen. It is a NSAID group medicine. It is a antipyretic, analgesic and having mild anti-inflammatory property. Paracetamol is manufactured in injection form, syrup form, tablet form and oral drop form. But in this video we will only learn about paracetamol tablet. Paracetamol tablet is manufactured in uncoated tablet form, which can be break for dose adjustment, and also manufacturing in dispersible tablet form, sustained release tablet form and ER form for long acting. The strength of paracetamol tablet available in market is 125 mg tablet, 250 mg tablet, 500 mg tablet, 650 mg tablet and 1000 mg of tablet. First, we discuss about paracetamol tablets brand name by which we can purchase it from medical store and online pharmacy. Some common brand name are which are very popular like Calpol tablet, Crocin Advanced tablet, Paracip tablet, Dolo tablet and many more brand name are available. It may found in your area by other brand name because brand name are different according to area and doctor choice. But don't get confused with brand name because medicine is only paracetamol. The work is also same. Now move forwards to paracetamol tablet uses, which diseases it is used by doctor. As you know, it is an antipyretic medicine. It is used to cure fever. Fever is a condition in which human body temperature rises about 37 degrees Celsius or 98.5 Fahrenheit. In this situation, paracetamol can be given to patient and is the best medicine forever to treat fever. And it has also analgesic property if any person have suffering from any pain like headache, backache, toothache, body ache or pain due to any accidental injury or any surgery. Paracetamol can be given to that particular patient to give relief from pain. Paracetamol also has mild anti-inflammatory property if any patient who has swelling and inflammation in his body that may occur by sudden fall, some sort injury, some sprain and strain, sports injury. That time this can be given to patient and patient get beneficial to it. Friends, after knowing its use, now move forwards to its dose. What are the dose of paracetamol? Doses depend upon patient condition and its body weight, but some common dose is there. We discuss about it. 1 to 2 tablet of paracetamol can be given in a whole day after food or during the food. If any patient have severe problem, that can be given 3 to 4 tablet in a day. But maximum dose of paracetamol is 2500 mg per day in 3 to 4 divided dose. And paracetamol is also very safe tablet, can be given to pregnant women in fever, body pain and inflammation, and also given to breastfeeding mother. For this condition it is very safe, has no harmful effect in this condition. As paracetamol tablet is very safe tablet, even though it has some side effect, some common side effects are there. We discuss that are allergic reaction including rashes and itching, and some patient can have swelling of face, tongue and throat, also dizziness and trouble in breath. These are the common side effects which may occur, and these or other than this unwanted effect are seen, then stop immediately to taking this tablet and consult to your doctor for further treatment. Now we discuss about warnings of paracetamol tablet and some precautions of paracetamol tablet. If you are allergic to some NSAIDs or past allergic to paracetamol, then never take paracetamol tablet without your doctor consulting. And if you have liver disease or kidney disease, please inform to your doctor. And also you are addicted to alcohol, you are regularly taking alcohol, then never take paracetamol, it may harmful to you. And always share your medicine history to your doctor, what are the medicine you are taking, and do not use any medicine without doctor prescription or doctor advice, it may harmful to you. So friends, these are some warning and precautions of paracetamol tablet. Please keep it in your mind. And these are some general information about paracetamol tablet for patients. So friends, if you like this video, then press like button and share it to your friends and family members, by which they can get benefit from this video. And still you don't subscribe your YouTube channel YT Pharmacist, please subscribe by pressing red button given below and press bell icon for further notification of new video. Thank you friends.